Good after morning. Welcome back to Alright, What's Next? We are going to work on changing my clock. The time isn't right up there, so we've got to get up there and we've got to change that time. That's what this video's not at all about. Because that would be fucking stupid. Go over there. What this video is going to be, we are going to change the look of my clock. Where's my, I need my brush, this thing's a little dusty. Now, this was a birthday present, Christmas present. It was a present, somebody gave it to me. I love the look of the clock. I like the beer bottle top. It's a pretty cool freaking design. The man cave. I fucking hate that goddamn phrase. I don't know why. It irritates me to no end. I probably shouldn't say that because there are some guys at work that watch these videos, they'll see this and then they're gonna say it all the fucking time. But man cave irritates the shit out of me. I do not like it. It's another one of them buzz phrase, fucking whatever, newfangled phrases like staycation. Fuck you and your staycation. A vacation is a vacation. You're not at work. You're enjoying yourself. Don't change the goddamn word to try and sound important. It's a vacation. All right? I am going to alter the look of this clock into something that I like. To do that, first thing we gotta do, we gotta get these, what do you call them? Arms off of here. I'm not entirely certain how this one comes apart. Just like that. And then we're gonna just gently all right, there's one. There's two. That. All right, and the clock is disassembled. Now we're going to reassemble it just so we don't lose any of the parts. All right, there's our clock mechanism. It is out of the way. Now we got this ugly ass goddamn frame. We need to light sand it so it'll accept paint. Let's make sure we got all the dust off of here. Because as discussed in other videos, I don't have dust collection. So everything in my shop is covered in a nice film of dust. All right. Sandpaper. Anytime you're gonna freaking put paint on something, you should give it a little bit of a light sanding because it increases its, what do you call it, a mechanical bond or whatever. Plus it removes any oils or anything that's on there. All right, what we are going to do, we are going to hand paint a Busch Light freaking bottle cap. We're gonna paint that onto that. So the first thing we gotta do is the outer ridge of this is silver. So we're gonna go out and we're gonna paint this whole fucking thing silver. Now I got Rust-Oleum metallic paint primer in one, so I only got to do one coat. So I'm going to step outside. I'm going to paint this quick because I don't want to paint it in here because as much fun as it is to huff paint, I've already killed far enough brain cells as it is. I'll be back in a second. All right, so I got the clock, face, head, whatever the fuck this thing's called, that is completely repainted. We need to mark the top so I know exactly where to orientate my logo. So I'm gonna make sure that one right there, that's gonna be number 12. I have bush light cap. Got that right there. Look, I can do close-ups now. And we are going to paint that. We're going to make that look just like that. Hopefully. We got painter's tape, a couple of different sizes. I have my whole set of Vallejo, is it Vallejo? No, I got Reaper Master Paint set. And I am not a master, I am a suck at painting. Got my wet palette, got a brand new set of freaking brushes. So now we need to make this look like a bush light cap. And how we're gonna go about doing that. We're gonna put down a stencil. And by stencil, I mean a fucking decal. Because I found this on eBay that's the right size for my clock. Mostly. I have to do a slight amount of trimming on these outer edges. But this will make it so much easier, and I don't have to spend all fucking day out here trying to paint this goddamn thing. So let's peel this decal off and we'll slap it on here and we'll have a bush light clock. Looked around on eBay and I found one for 12 bucks. And it's like, yeah, I will spend $12 and get this done relatively quick as opposed to spending all goddamn day trying to paint the fucker. Now, the challenge is to get it off of here and into place without ruining it. Make sure she's centered. All right, now we got to find a hole in the center here where our clock face is going to go. Take our clock. Come over there, you fucker. All right, what time is it? It is 9:52. So we are already sitting at 9 o'clock. We'll just run that up to what would be roughly there. Now we got a bush light clock. Put that back up on the wall. Yeah. That looks so much fucking better. I dig it. Now I don't need all these goddamn paints. I can put this shit away and drink some Busch Light. Remember, do things the easy way. Don't forget, what's really easy is to subscribe, hit that goddamn like button, and then you can see me do other really simple projects like this. All right, we'll see you next time.